Hi everyone, today we are on Module 2, Whole Numbers and Decimals of Level F of VMath. This is Lesson 0, the review, so please turn to page 1 to follow along and take notes. Alright, so on page 1, we are comparing numbers using base 10 blocks. So as a review, the yellow ones here are 10s and the red ones are 1s. So we have 2 10s. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So then it would be 26 because 2 10s is like 2 times 10 and 6 ones is like 6 times 1. Then here we have hundreds. Those are the green ones. So we have 2 hundreds, 2 3 10s, and 1 1. So the value of that is 231. All right, so here it's just giving us the number or the place values. So we have 5 10s and 4 1s, that would be 54. 6 10s and 7 1s is 67. Then we go to the hundreds, 3 hundreds, 2 10s, 6 1s, 326. 248 for this one, so 248. And then this one is 135. And the last one is 127. So remember that with place values, it's giving you what each place is worth. So this is worth 7 1s, 2 10s, 100. So it's like doing 1 times 100 here, 2 times 10, and 7 times 1. So it says, how can you use base 10 pieces to show that 3 10s and 13 1s is the same as 4 10s and 3 1s? So if we draw a quick little picture, and I do 3 10s, 1, 2, 3 10s, and 13 1s. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then we want to compare that to 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 1s, 1, 2, 3. Well, if we look back at this first one, we can see that we can make this 10 1s into a 10s rod. So now we have the same thing, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 1s. So it's the same thing. This says use the base 10 pieces to compare the numbers. Then draw a ring around the greater number. Well, here we can see the 1s and the 1s is the same, but this one has 4 10s and this has 6 10s. So this one equals 43, this one equals 63. So that means that 63 is larger. Here we have 402, and here we have 400, so that's the same. But this one has 3 10s, and this one has 0 10s, so this one has to be bigger, so 435. And then number 8, 213, compared to 185. Well, we can see pretty easily here, this has 200s and this one only has 100, so that means that 213 is bigger. All right, this is one of our words, an inequality. This is a sentence that contains the symbols greater than or less than. That's this one. So this one is greater than, this one is less than. Remember, whatever way this is facing, the alligator, if you want to draw little teeth in there, wants to eat the bigger number. Okay, so it always wants to have the bigger number. The open side is facing the bigger one. These are 2 other inequality symbols. This is greater than or equal to. That's what the line means. So it could be greater than or equal to, and this is less than or equal to. All right, so we are comparing whole numbers here. We have 30 and 40. Well, we know that there is a 4 in the tens place, so that one is bigger than the 3 in the tens place, so it's going to say 30 is less than 40. Here we have 50 compared to 8, or 58. So 58 is greater than 8. And here we have 27 is equal to 27. Number 4, we have a very long number, okay, but we're going to compare. And we're going to see that they have, I'm going to highlight the ones that they have the same. So in this place, this is the billions, the 7s are the same. But then right away, if we go to the 100 millions place, it's a 2 and a 1, we can see that this number is greater than. So we would say, oops, sorry, I forgot to do the pen. This is greater than the other number. For this one, we can see that this has 1,000, this doesn't even have 1,000, so the thousands is bigger. So we would say 976 is less than 1,254. All right, this one, we have a 3 is the same, the 0 is the same, the 4 is the same in the hundreds place, but then look, we get to the tens place and we have a 5 and a 7. Well, the 7 is bigger, so we would know that 30,456 is less than 30,478. All right, and this last one, let's look. We got a 2 and a 2, both in the 10 millions, an 8 in the millions, a 0 in the 100,000s, a 1 in the 10,000s, a 9 in the thousands, and then zeros. So that means that this is equal. It is the same as each other. All right, if we look at this, we want to compare. So I'm going to write this out in a place value chart. So the first one is 4,089,324,113. Then this number is 4,089,260,024. So write those in, and then we can compare. So we can see, I'll do yellow. Those are the same, those are the same, those are the same, those are the same. Oh, but then we get to the 100,000s, and we can see that this first number has a 3 in the 100,000, so that means that it is greater than. So we would say that the top number is greater than this bottom number. All right, this says compare, right? Greater than, less than, or equal to. So let's just compare. We'll go, they both have an 8 in the millions, a 1 in the 100,000s, a 2 in the 10,000s, a 6 in the thousands, and then look here, this has a 7 in the hundreds, this has a 1 in the hundreds, so 7 is greater than 1, so this one is greater. This one, number 9, we have 500,000, 500,000, but then look at that next number, the 10,000s. This has a 7. 7 is greater than 6, so this number is greater than. Here we have 40,722, 40,722. That's exactly the same, so that is equal to. And then this last one, let's look again. We have 6 billion, 6 billion, 100 million, 100 million. Oh, but then look here, in the 10 millions, this one has a 6, which is greater than a 4, so this one is greater than. So we would say, actually, this number is less than this number. All right, so when you're comparing whole numbers through billions using symbols, looks like this, and then using words, it says begin with the greatest place value, so the greatest one. If the whole numbers have the same number of digits, start at the leftmost digit and find the first place value where the digits are different. So just like we've been doing, 8 is the same, 7 is the same. Oh, but then here, 5 is more, so that means that this one, 5 is greater than 4, so that means that this number is bigger. So the number with the greater digit in this place value is the greater number. If one whole number has more digits than the other whole number, the number with the more digits is greater. All right, so now you're going to complete page 5 on your own. Take your time. Good luck.